of Twinkle Sprinkle challenges. Now, my question about ice cream this week is, what do you think the most popular ice cream flavour is in the whole world? What's your favourite? Well, my favourite is salted caramel. But what do you think the most popular flavour is over the whole world? Well, join me at the end of this video where I am going to tell you the answer. And now it's over to Kirsty for this week's word.
There is so much to learn about our world. We can learn a lot about the past through old photographs and stories passed down through generations and by exploring old buildings and artefacts. But what about the future? I wonder what the future holds for you. Here's one of my favourite Dr. Seuss quotes. Today was good, today was fun, tomorrow is another one. What will happen tomorrow? Well, let's start by having a challenge today. Here come this week's future challenges. Well, Pathfinders, we're ending our 6 weeks of Sprinkle Twinkle challenges with a really important word, the future. So this week's challenge is to research what rewilding means and whether they're big or small. Find out ways which you can rewild the spaces around you. Good luck with your final challenge, Pathfinders.
There's nothing better than a summer's day reading in the garden. But do you know what? My favourite books are history books. Now, in the future, young people will be reading books, maybe digitally. Maybe they might just plug their brains into the books. Who knows? But in the future, children and young people will be reading books about the 2020s. What do you think are the fundamental important moments of this generation? Can you design a double-page spread of your own textbook telling the children and young people of the future what the big moments of the 2020s were? Well, we love nothing more than having a bit of a dip in a paddling pool in the summer. But do you know the depths of our oceans and cave systems have been largely undiscovered, and we're regularly finding lots and lots of animals that live in the depths of our oceans and in the depths of our inner cave systems. Go and find out about some of those animals, what qualities they have, some recent discoveries, how they have adapted to living in those sorts of conditions. Deep under the sea, it's complete darkness. How do they survive? And then maybe have a go at designing your own animal that's not been discovered yet, that lives in the depths of those oceans or in those cave systems. And I'm going to have a dip in my paddling pool.
What does the future hold for you? What do you want to do when you grow up? Well, I'm a grown-up and I'm still trying to decide. It's okay not to know, but it's quite fun to pretend. So how about this game, When I Grow Up? See if you can do lots of different actions for different jobs or activities. And those watching you have to guess what it is that you're doing. So, when I grow up, yes, I'm going to be an artist. What will you be?
What will life be like in 100 years? Will we have flying cars? Will we be plugging our brains into computers so that it learns for us? What's going to be the future? Nobody knows. Can you design a science fiction story all about life in the future? Because when we don't know, we can make things, exciting stories up about what that future might be. It's often known as science fiction. Can you write your own science fiction story? Twinkl Originals has a really great example of this. They've taken the story of Hansel and Gretel and set it in the future. So if you're looking for inspiration, then you could start by reading that. But the world and your imagination can be set free with this because nobody knows what the future will be like. If you wanted, you could make it as an animation, or you could design it as a storyboard. But can you think of what the future would be like and make it into a fictional story? So what did you think the answer was? Well, the answer is boring vanilla flavoured ice cream. That is the most popular ice cream around the world. But do you know some other really gross ice cream flavours? You can buy bacon flavoured ice cream, coal flavoured ice cream, and even oyster flavour ice cream. Ugh. Well, I hope that you enjoy your ice cream this week and all of the challenges that we have planned. Have a lovely, lovely week, and I'll see you soon.